also I will show you some beautiful Nakshi Katha stitch sarees on tassar and pure silk material. The first one is a designer piece. The first one is a designer piece. Wow. It's an exclusive one. See, the silk has been dyed first, then we have done katha on it. And the price is 9200. The price is 9200. Now check the body of the work of the body all over. Wow. See the work portion. It is all over katha, all over Meenakari katha. This saree took, this saree took almost 1.5 year. This one saree took 1.5 year and only one karigar has done it. Only one karigar has done it. So you can imagine how much patience and they are very good in this. It's an all over saree. It's an all over saree on pure silk. And the pallu portion is very interesting. I am showing you the first fold. This is the first fold. See the pallu. It's a beautiful uncommon color combination. It's a grey with a royal blue. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. So all over the saree you will get this design all over the saree. And now I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Okay, the price is 9200. I am showing you the work portion. See, it's a all over saree. It's a unique piece. And the price is 9200. The price is 9200. Now comes one very nice and very gorgeous golden yellow. See the work portion, very nice color combination. Wow. It's an all over work. It's an all over work. All over katha. Very nice and intricate work and multicolored thread embroidery. Katha embroidery. It has been done by hand stitch only. One saree, averagely one saree took minimum 6 months, maximum 2 years. Because only one karigar do one saree only. So it take a lot of time. See, it's a very nice saree. In the pleat portion you will get this color and half of your body, half of the saree will get this design all over. So after the pleats only we will get this all over design. It's a full coverage saree and I am showing you the blouse. It has a very nice blouse piece. See. Okay, I am showing you the first fold and the second fold. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. Now you will get that this portion will come in the pleats. Okay, and the price is, let me check the price also. Oh, it didn't tag it. The price is 8,000. Okay, the price is 8,000. Now comes another Ghicha Tassar Sambalpuri. It's an handloom material. It's an handloom material. Very nice. It's a Urisha handloom material and we have done katha on it. First I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse portion. You will get this border in the blouse. And after the blouse you will get pallu. This is the pallu. Fully weaved pallu. Handloom completely. And now comes the body. It's a all over this design. All over this design. See. It's a midnight blue, not royal blue, it's a midnight blue. And please check the color combination. It's a very pretty color. We have used parrot green and turquoise blue, red, pink, royal blue. So it's a very gorgeous combination. The material is pure Gachi Tasar, Ghicha Tasar from Orissa, Sambalpur. Purely handloom. You will get silk mark on each sari. This is the first fold, and all over the sari you will get this design. Price is 8500. Now comes one pure Gachi Tasar. It's a village art. It's a village art. Very nice design. All village motifs like fish. It's a heart, elephant. You can even recognize the motifs. It's very, see, all are village motifs. We have belpatta, we have fish. Very nice pure Gachi Tasar. Price is 8000. All over sari will be like this. I am showing you the first fold and the second fold. This is the first fold. See, and this is the second fold. Very nice color combination. All are multicolored, fully hand katha stitch. And showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Wow. And the price is 8000. Price is 8000 on pure Gachi Tasar. Now another Gachi Tasar. Price is also same 8000. And see the work portion. It has a beautiful, not exactly pink. It has a little bit tint of lavender also. The pink is bit lavenderish pink, I can say. Very nice color combination. It has a all over design like this on pure Gachi Tasar. Price is 8000. See, this is the second fold, and this is the blouse. It has a very smart and pretty blouse. Very nice. And the price is 8000. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Now I am showing you very beautiful and very smart one. Those who don't want very much work, or those who have to wear sari a lot for their office purpose, they can easily wear it. See, the pallu we have done all over katha. In the pallu portion we have done all over katha, and the material is very beautiful. Material is all over. We have done weaving in a different style pattern. We have done weave in a multicolored thread, and it has got a look of beautiful texture. See the texture of the sari. It creates illusion of the color. You can see yellow, you can see blue, you can see purple. So it has a lots of color. See, I am showing you the pallu. This is the pallu, aanchal, and all over the sari you will get this design. Price is 5500, and I am showing you the blouse. See the blouse color. Actually, this is the color of the pallu, and also in the blouse. This is the blouse. Price is 5500. All are silk mark authentication. Now another Vishnupuri silk. It's a 3-ply, very high quality Vishnupuri silk. See the work quality. Wow. It's a very smart color combination, grey with a black. See the coverage of the work. All over we have done katha. All over the stripe. In the black portion we have done katha with the white thread. And all over the sari you will get this design. See, all over sari. Price is 7500. Okay, price is 7500, and I am showing you the blouse. Vishnupuri silk. It's a handloom material. Now this is a pure Bangalore silk. It's a robin blue. It's a ink blue. I must say it's a ink blue. And the thread color is a grey with a highlighting color white. The upper yoke we have done small fishes, and in the lower yoke, lower border, you will get this fish design. So all over the saree will go like this. I am showing you in fold. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. And blouse piece. This is the blouse. You will get two standing fish in the sleeves and this border in the back. And the price is 7500. Now our traditional design. It's a very popular design in Kantha. See, it has a heart and a tree and a man. Very nice color combination also. It's a multicolor. Half of your saree will go like this. It's a all over, and in the pleat portion you will get like 12-inch pleats with this design. So all over the saree you will get this design. Material is pure Gachi Tasar and the price is 8000. See, I am showing you in folds so that you can understand the design also. See, this is the design. Material is pure Gachi Tasar and like 2.5 meter you will get all over this design, and in the pleat portion this will come in the pleats. This is the pleats. Okay, the price is 8000. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. Now comes another exclusive design, signature design from Nakshi Kantha. See, I have to show you first like this, then only I will drape and show you. This is the pallu design. Very nice saree. All are beautifully done. Two peacock, two dancing peacock. Very nice color combination also. It's a pure Bangalore silk. I am showing you the all over design of the saree, and all over saree you will get multi buttas, multi designed buttas. All the buttas are different. All the buttas are different. You can check. You will get tortoise, you will get queen, you will get floral, you will get elephant, you will get fish. Very different, very unique saree. And the price is 8800. And you have to see the work quality also. It has a very intricate border. Very intricate border with the design. In the border you will get peacock also. In the border you will get peacock also. It's a midnight blue with multicolor embroidery, and this is the blouse. Now I am showing you in fold. This is the first fold. This is the second fold. And all over the saree you will get this design. All over the saree. The price is 8800. Pure Bangalore silk. All are Silk Mart certificate. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll be uploading new designs in our channel only. Now comes another pure Bangalore silk with double tone. It's a short color. It's a cross color. Very nice one. See. Wow. The color is a short color. It's a cross color of Rani pink and a royal blue. It's a cross color of Rani pink and royal blue. All over the body. All over the body you will get these buttas like a very nice one. The price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. All over the saree you will get these buttas. See the work quality, very intricate, very minute work. This is the most minute work in kantha, I think so. Very छोटा छोटा work है इसमें पूरा all over the saree, and this is the blouse. So all over the saree you will get this design all over the saree. Very nice one, very elegant color. Price is 8,000 and the material is pure Bangalore silk. So divas, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you want to purchase any saree from today's video, you can WhatsApp us from the number given below, or you can follow us on our live videos in our Facebook page, and our Facebook link has been given in the description box.